Hello, this is Mohammed Burkan. Welcome back to Price Action Trend Rate. In this video, we will see what is the Nifty range for this week, which is calendar week 1 2021, which is expiring on 7th January. First, we'll see the monthly chart of Nifty. In this monthly chart, we can clearly see the candle is very wide and there is no wick at all. It shows the market is very bullish. Then in the here we see the same monthly chart with the Fibonacci retracement. In the Fibonacci retracement, so this is made between the last swing high to swing low, and we can see the extension. The Fibonacci extension lies at 14,300. So this is the monthly chart. Monthly chart is very strong. So the 14,300 will act as a strong resistance. Then I move to the Nifty weekly chart. In the Nifty weekly chart, you can see it's clearly making low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. And it's a clear bullish trend, and we don't know where the bullish trend is going to end, or it is going to retrace. So based on the Fibonacci retracement, the next strong resistance lies at 14,300. In the next slide, we see the Nifty daily chart. This daily chart based on the Fibonacci retracement from the last swing high to swing low, and the Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci extension is at 14,028. If you see today exactly it touched this point and started falling. And if you see the last candle, it's a clear doji candle with almost the same wick and tail, and the body is very thin. And the previous day candle is the gravestone doji candle. And if you see the buyers are pushing the price in the lower range, but there is no strong buyers to break this resistance at the 14,000 level. And the same chart with the Fibonacci retracement is shown here in the hourly chart. So based on this one, we see if the 14,027 level is broken, then next immediate resistance at 14,180. Then we know from the monthly chart the next immediate resistance, that is very strong resistance at 14,300. So in the upper side, the levels are 14,180 and 14,300. In the lower side, it is 14,780. And if it breaks, 13,780. If it breaks 13,780, then it goes to 13,530. Next, we'll move to the option chain data. This option chain has been extracted from the NSE India website. I transformed this data into the Excel. So today's date is the analysis doing on 31st December, and the expiry date is 7th January. And today's close price is at 13,982, and we have the 8 more days to expiry. From the option chain, you can see the highest call open interest is 27,100, which lies at 14,000, which is at the money strike price. The next highest open interest from the call side is 19,000, and which is at 14,200 strike price. From the put side, if you see the highest open interest 18,900, which is at the strike price 13,900, and the next highest open interest is 17,411, which is again at the money strike price, which is 14,000. If you see, interestingly, today the open interest is added in both call and put side at the money strike price. The highest open interest added at the highest at the money strike prices. This shows the market will be in the sideways in this week. So based on the open interest support and resistance, the range is 13,900 to 14,200. So we move on to the based on the at the money strike price, at the money premium. So at the money premium at 14,000, the call premium is 122 rupees and the put premium is 140 rupees. If you add both, it comes 262 rupees. I will round off to the next strike price, which is so 260, 62, you round off to 300 rupees. I will add this 300 rupees to the at the money strike price, which is 14,000 plus 300 is 14,300, and subtract 14,000 minus 300, is 13,700. So based on the at the money premium, the range is between 13,700 and 14,300. Next, we move on to the based on Max Pain theory. In the Max Pain theory, based on Max Pain theory, it is the strike price. The Max Pain is the strike price where the option buyers will feel the maximum pain. Means the option sellers will make the maximum profit. So here we can see this is the area the Max Pain lies, and there is a break even where the no buyer and seller make the loss. So that these points are the break even points. So the market will not move above this point and below this point. Above this point, option buyers will make money here and here. Here, option sellers will make money. So based on the Max Pain, the range is 13,650 and 14,250. So we have seen all the levels based on the option chain and price action. Then we make envelope of all this data. So we get the maximum and minimum ranges between 13,650 to 14,300. So this will be the range for this week, and we have the very good premium for this strike prices, which is around 40 plus 20 is 60 rupees. If anybody do the short of these two 13,650 put and 14,300 call, they will get 60 rupees premium. Most probably this is going to be a zero by this Saturday. Thank you.